Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your privacy with ExpressVPN easy tutorial. To protect your privacy with ExpressVPN, start by downloading the application. Visit the official ExpressVPN website. Choose your device type and click on the download button. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. After installation, launch the ExpressVPN app. You will be prompted to sign in. Enter your account details to log in. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. To connect to a server, click the large power button. Select a server location from the list or let ExpressVPN choose the optimal one. After selecting, click the power button again to establish a connection. Wait until the button turns green, indicating a successful connection. To change your server location, click on the button again. You can also explore settings for added customization. Adjust the protocol settings if necessary for enhanced security. Use the split tunneling feature if you want certain apps to bypass the VPN. Make sure to enable the kill switch for added protection if your VPN connection drops. You're now ready to browse securely and privately. Remember to periodically check for app updates for optimal performance. Enjoy your enhanced privacy with ExpressVPN. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.